I'm setting up right now for a distance test with Tesla coils. I currently have this one right here hooked up to my Slayer exciter circuit. And that coil over there is on a cart. The only thing connected to it is a ground to the bottom of the number 2 coil. And I'm going to see how far I can pull that cart and still have it turn on that light bulb. So here we go, we're going to turn this on. Alright. Now we know it's on. Our light here is already turned on. We're going to have to turn off the lights at some point so we can keep track of this. But as we can see, this light right here is on. Let's set this down. I'm going to turn off the light. We can clearly see the light bulb is on. Pulling the cart back. Yeah, that's still on and fairly bright. Get any more out of this by turning this thing sideways? Yeah, we're getting a bit dimmer. There we go, it went out. Okay. So let's set this and let's go ahead and take a measurement. We'll turn the lights on. So let's take a look. So we're over here, that's how far away that Tesla coil is. We'll turn that thing off and let's get our measurement. Okay. So here we go. I just hooked it in right there. We're going to pull this back all the way to this coil. Sorry, it's upside down. We're at 130 inches, just short of 11 feet. Where my hand is the 11-foot mark. So that number and that distance over there took 20 volts and 4 amps in order to pull that distance. Almost 11 feet of distance between the coils and the light's still lit. And all I had to do was ground out this secondary, and we have wireless power at a distance. Kind of cool.